Here's the new and improved mini kit. We made the blank 150% bigger so it's easier to handle when you're shaping and fiberglassing. We also added 5 1-ounce mixing cups graduated so you can measure your epoxy ratio accurately. 2 parts resin to 1 part hardener per fiberglassing process, which you'll see in the how-to video as well as our surfboard shaping guide. And we also added a sanding block to make it easier to shape the board, easier to grip. So what we're going to do here in this new model is you're going to glue the blank up just like if you were to get a large surfboard kit from us. We save you shipping money by shipping it in a smaller package, and it's a simple process to glue up. So here's your blank. These can go away. You can use these as supports for glassing, the extra foam. And here's your stringer. So here's your stringer glue. This is the same exact glue we glue surfboards up with. And you want to give it a little squeeze here. Alright, put it up, make sure it doesn't fall over, and glue it to the table. Okay, now you can take one of these mixing sticks and just spread the glue. Cover the whole surface of the inside of the blank here. You want to get it all the way out to the edges so there's no gaps. Okay, now set your stringer in. These boys together. Line them up. And then we're going to include some rubber bands in here. Slide the rubber band on. One end. You can realign it after you get the bands on here. So this will hold it together while the glue cures. Alright, now we'll just realign the foam to the stringer. Straighten this out a bit. Okay, there you go. That's the blank glue up. The foam will actually expand a little bit too. So, there you have it. Let that cure, maybe about an hour. And then you can go ahead and shaping, watch the other video on how to shape it and fiberglass it. And if you have any questions, shoot us an email. Thanks.